Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with common factors. Now, what is a common factor? We will be understanding here. Okay. Look at this example. Today's date is 11/7/2020. Okay. Now we are going to start with common factors. Let's take an example. Find out the common factors of 24 and 56. Okay, 24 and 56. Let's say example, we are going to take two small number, which is find common factors of 15 and 18. Okay, common factors of 15 and 18. Okay, see here, common factors. First of all, we are going to find out factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 15 is divisible by 1, then 3, then 5 and 15 only. Okay, factors of 18. 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and 18 1s are 18. These are the factors. Now common factors. Common factors of 15 and 18. Now see, what are the factors you find common in between 15 and 18? See here, 1 is common. 1 is common. Clear? Now here 3 is common. Okay, 5 is not common, 15 is not common. So what are the common factors of 15 and 18? 1 and 3. Clear? Like this, you have to find the common factors of given numbers. Clear? Now next is, after common factor, we will be finding the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Now what is highest common factor? Among this, in this only, what is highest common factor? Highest common factor. See here, we have got all the factors of 15, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Similarly, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now what are the common factors of 15 and 18? 1 and 3. Now what is the highest among these two common factors? Which is highest? 3. So 3 is the highest common factor of 15 and 18. Like this, you have to find out. Therefore, you can write, therefore HCF of 15 and 18 is 3. Clear? Okay. Now, one more thing you are going to learn today, which is HCF by division method. HCF by division method. Okay, HCF by division method. Say for example, how to find out the HCF of any number. Okay, first of all, uh, it is difficult to find the common prime factors of a given number. Like there are two big number like 2000 and 3000. It is a little difficult for you to find out the common factors. In this case, we are using another method. We are not going to use this method of finding factors. We are going to find out, we are going to use another method, which is HCF by division method. Say for example, take two number, find HCF of 200 and 250. 200 and 250. Clear? Find HCF of 200 and 250. In this case, we are going to use HCF by division method. Okay, so you know how to divide, so we will be using the same division here, but division will be little different. Okay, see which is greater. 250 is greater, will be the dividend. 200 is the divider. 200 ones are 200. What is left here? 50. Okay, now we are going to create a division box here. Clear? A division box here. Here, what you need to keep? What you need to keep? This divisor will become a dividend here. This divisor will become a dividend here, and this remainder will become a divisor. 50 into what makes 200? 50 fours are 200. See here, all over. Therefore, HCF of 200 and 250 is this number 50, because 50 is the number that divides this exactly. Here you are not finding any remainder. See, so this last remainder which divides the number exactly becomes the HCF. Clear? Look at this once again. If you don't understand, you can ask me via message, or you can call me also if you want any if you have any confusion. Okay, now we will start exercise 4.3. Look at question number 1. Find common factors of the following number, then find their HCF. Simple. It's very simple, that you have already seen in the example. Okay, so exercise 4.3, question number 1. Okay, now what is the question? A 25 and 45. First of all, what you need to do, you need to find all the factors of 25s, all the factors of 25. See, factors of 25. 1 is 25 comes in 2 stable, no. 3 stable, no. 4 stable, no. 5 stable, yes. 5 5 is 25 and 25. The factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Factors of 45. 1, then the next factor will be 5. 5 9s are 49, 5s are 45, and then next factor will be 45 only. Clear? 1, 5, 9 and 45. Common factors. Therefore, common factors of 25 and 45. 25 and 45 are, or equals to 1, 5 and no other. So 1 and 5. So the common factors of 25 and 45 are 1 and 5. Okay. So this question is very clear to you. You have to find first the factors of the given number and then check which factors are common. Write it like this. Okay. Now, what is the HCF of these two number? See, therefore, the HCF of 25 and 45 is 5. See here, which is greater among these two? 5 is greater. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 45 is 5. Okay, so it's very simple. So the rest of all is homework for you. B2H. Homework is B2H. Clear? Next is question number 2. Use division method to find the HCF of the following number. Okay, we will be doing this. Question number 2A. 25 and 35. Solution. We are going to find out the HCF of these number. HCF of these number. Okay. So the process is here. 35 is the dividend. 25 is the divisor. 25 ones are 25. Clear? What is left? 0, 1. Next division box. What comes here? The divisor becomes a dividend here. So 25. 10 into what makes 25? 10 into 2 equals to 20. And 3 is 30. So we will take 2. 10 2s are 20. What is left here? 5 only. Again, next division box. Next division box. You have to divide till you're not getting the remainder as 0. Otherwise, your HCF will not be correct. Okay. Now, the previous divisor becomes a division here. 5 into what makes 10? 5 2s are 10. Clear? Here the remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF equals to the last divisor 5. Clear? Like this, you have to do this question. Is it easy? Yes. Now, let's check one more question. 130. C. 135 and 165. C. 135 and 165. Solution. Same. 165 is the dividend. 135 is the divisor. 135 ones are 135. 0, 3, 0. Next division box. What comes here? 135. 30 into what makes 135? 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. So 4s are 120. Okay. Now what left? 5 1 0 15. Next division box. This will come here. 30. 15 2s are 30. So HCF equals to the last divisor 15. Clear? Like this, you have to find out HCF by division method. Okay, what is the next question? Look at the next question. Question number 3. Show that 35 and 48 are co-prime number. First of all, you need to know what is a co-prime number. Any two number are called co-prime if their HCF is 1. Any two number are called co-prime. Any two number are called co-prime if their HCF is 1. See here, we have got HCF as 5 and HCF as 15. So these two numbers are not co-prime. These two are not co-prime. These two are not co-prime. So we are going to find out whether these given number, which is 35 and 48, are co-prime or not. Okay, look at question number 3. Show that 35 and 48 are co-prime. So HCF of 35 and 48. Okay, same, use division method. 35 ones are 35. 8 minus 5 is 3, and here 1. Next division box. 35, 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 20, 13 threes are 39. So we'll take 13 twos are 26. 11. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay. Next division box. 13. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Clear? 13 minus 9, 4. Again, next division box. 9. 4 twos are 8. 1. This will become the dividend. 1 fours are 4. So here, therefore, HCF equals to 1. HCF equals to 1. Therefore, 35 and 48 are co-prime numbers. Let's check it once again. We are finding whether 35 and 48 are co-prime numbers. So you know what is a co-prime number? Two numbers are called co-prime if their HCF is 1. So we are going to check whether their HCF is 1 or not. So 35, ones are 35. 48 minus 35 is 13. 13. This becomes dividend here. So 13 twos are 26. 15 minus 6 is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. What left here? 13. 13. 9 ones are 9. Okay, what left here? 4. 4 twos are 8. What left here? 1. This comes here. 1 fours are 4. So here remainder is nothing. Here remainder is nothing. So therefore HCF is what? 1. HCF is 1. 35 and 48 are. If you find HCF as 1, then the given numbers are co-prime numbers. It means the simple thing is what? When you find HCF of two number and you find HCF as 1, then those numbers are co-prime numbers. So here this exercise is too easy for you. Exercise 4.3, where you find common factors, highest common factor by division method, and then co-prime numbers. These three questions you have to do by today. Next day we will be starting common multiples and least common multiples, which is LCM, LCM by prime factorization method, LCM by division method, etc. in the next exercise. So today you have to complete exercise 4.3. Next day we will start LCM. Okay, till then, bye bye.